Hey you guys, I'm doing a really quick live because I actually won some really good brand new gift from Natalie's. I don't know if you guys know Natalie's, but they are the best beverage company out here, meaning beverages, all natural. I'm going to show you the process of me opening this box. It's brand new line that they're coming out with. I won a case of it. I'm so ecstatic. It actually came today. Woo! So, this is the box here. I don't want to give out my address. It's right on the top. But I just won their new line of drinks. Holistic juice line. So this is the box it came in. Like I said, it's Natalie's. What most people call me anyway. And it's their holistic juice. Make sure that you follow them right here. Facebook. Right here. Beautiful Instagram. And hashtag drink Natalie's. Make sure you drink it. They're right here in the U.S., meaning they're right here in Florida. So, if you can bear with me for just a moment, I'm going to go ahead and open it up and show you guys more about it, okay? And yes, Lauryn Hill is in the background. And I'm going to actually show you without trying to blast out my whole address. Why I say most people call me Natalie. This is hilarious. So I'm going to show you without showing my whole address. That here. See what I'm talking about? My name is actually Hi Eternal Garage Sale. My name is actually Natalia. But as you can see, even Natalie got it a little bit messed up, which is cool. So just give me a few more moments and I'm going to open up the box so you can see what is in store here. Open here.
Okay, how many people in here have ever been in love? I know that the guys going to raise their hand. How many of y'all ever been in love? But I know none of the guys been in love. We don't get in love, right? Oh, let this black man right here tell what his idea of love is. Not all the time we hear black men.
So, this was all the goodies that came inside of the box. I'm going to turn off Lauryn Hill right now. So, it came with a pen. It came with To Our Cherished Juice Connoisseurs and New Acquaintances. They're very thankful for me to go ahead and do this and try them out. So, oh, look. I cannot believe it. It came with coupons. I'm going to come with the barcode just because I don't want anybody to go ahead and take these barcodes. So, I came with coupons, a pen. Oh, crap. I got a sticker, too. Neat, neat, neat. So, I'm going to try and use a sticker to cover up these barcodes for this nice coupons. I got any size of Natalie's. I drink Natalie's a lot. I don't know if you ever go onto my Instagram. If you scroll down, it's going to be like a few months ago or so, because there's not much of Natalie's here in Bainbridge because there's not like a Publix or something that's selling a lot of them. But I got free coupons in here. Authentically drink juice. Here it looks like it's a packet of all of their good stuff. That's the founder here. Her name is actually not Natalie. Natalie's is actually the name of her daughter, which is basically told within the first part of our story part. That should tell you just how committed I am and how much I know about this company. So there you go. They get lots of rewards here. They've been in Forbes magazine, which is awesome. Maybe one day I'll be in Forbes magazine too. But here it is. This is the stuff that's inside of here. I have Purify, Relax, Resilient. So here it is. Like I said, there's Natalie's Juice Company. And here's my juices. Resilient is right here. Ooh, I got a whole bunch. More Resilient. There is Relax. That's right here. More Relax. And then the last one is Purified. All in this nice little styrofoam box. I'm going to keep all of this stuff. This is priceless. Since it's early in the morning, let's see. I think I'm going to try out Resilient first. And I'm going to let you guys know how it is in my stories, okay? Thank you, Natalie, so much for doing this for me and me being the fortunate winner of this. This is awesome. And I will also be sharing this on my Facebook and tagging them in it too. Thank you guys.